The skirt steak meal kit. So first, the marinade for the steak. Half a cup of soy sauce and the same amount of sherry, which makes this steak so good. A little squeeze of honey, a combination of minced garlic and minced ginger, and it is a lot. Some crushed red pepper, and then a little salt and pepper. And finally, some toasted sesame oil, which is absolutely amazing. There is no flavor like it in the world. Oh, I love the way it smells. All right, so that's it for the marinade. So I'm gonna get the lid on, give it a really good shake to make sure all the ingredients are totally mixed together. Now I've got this beautiful skirt steak in a refrigerator container. And you can use a plastic bag if you want. And I'm gonna pour about 2/3 of this right over the meat. So I'll get the lid on. All right, so now come the noodles. I'm using udon noodles, and I'm just gonna drop them into boiling water. Whoops, pull the package out. All right, I'm gonna let these cook until they're tender. So the noodles are cooked, and I drained them, and I'm just gonna slip them into a plastic bag. And I'll drizzle in just a little more toasted sesame oil. A little of this goes a long way, so you don't want to overdo it. And then I'll seal this bag, and I'll just kind of smush the noodles around so they're totally coated in that delicious sesame oil. So last thing I need to do is make a quick little spice mix that I will need when I cook the meal. And it starts with 5 spice powder and onion powder, garlic powder, very simple, and then salt and pepper, and then I'll put the lid on and kind of shake it up. All right, that spice mix looks great. Okay, I'm gonna get this show on the road and load up the meal kit so I can take it home. I have a beautiful combination of veggies, orange bell peppers, zucchini, I cut them into long strips, some red bell pepper, and green onions that are already sliced and ready to go, a lime that's gonna be for serving, and then the spice mix I just made, and can't forget about this extra marinade.